Tell me your address.
Oh! No tell you address. No tell you address.
No, you tell me address.
No tell you address. Why? You go Philippines?
Yes.
Oh. What you?
Oh, I go Philippines.
Oh, mashallah, mashallah. You go Philippines?
I go Philippines. Tell me. Tell me your address.
My address is Mexico, Pampanga.
Mexico da Panga.
Yep, Mexico, Mexico.
Mexico.
Mexico, Española. Philippines.
Mexo Filiconi. Oh, Philippine. Mexo
Ah,
Philippine.
Mexico, Mexico, Mexico.
Okay. Your home number?
My home number?
Home number. Home
No,
number.
no, send home number na.
I go your home.
No, my home here, here is very dangerous. So many crocodile. Abidali, welcome. Nak, ano sa TV nak?
Camugar.
Narao. Thank you, Abby. What?
Camugar.
Dami mong grrr.
Grrr.
Ake? Grrr.
ਪੂਰੀ ਫ੍ਰੈਂਡਲੀ ਹੋ ਗਈ ਹੈ ਬਸ ਇਹ ਕਾਂਡ ਨਾ ਕਰਾ ਦੇਵੇ ਰਾਤੀ ਨਿਜ਼ਾਮ ਨਾ ਉਲਟ ਕਰਾ ਦੇਵੇ ਪੱਟ ਦਾ
I like your hair.
Ah, this is wig.
I like your hair. Yes.
My hair is wig. You like my hair? This is wig.
Yes. A wig?
This is wig. My hair is wig. Not ano.
Remove your wig.
Ah! No remove.
No, he's real. He's real.
Yeah, this is real. I'm joking only.
I like your wig. Hey,